and before cleaning, wear gloves and lab coat, for protection from hazardous substances. Then, remove any equipment, supplies, or debris, from workstation, as viewed in next slide. And to avoid contamination, firstly, don't touch feet with floor, and place cabinet in at least 1 to 3 meters distance from door or other sides, and finally avoid traffic area, such as people walking, in front of cabinet, as mentioned in next slide. In addition, only arms and hands are allowed inside work zone during work. And don't overload cabinet with unnecessary items. Furthermore, make sure all items are disinfected before work. And finally, start work from left to right direction inside cabinet. But pay attention please, Laminar Airflow Cabinet doesn't use for storage infectious materials.